Hello, my name's Lauren from Stoke Audi, and today I will be showing you around this approved used Audi A1 Sportback S-Line 25 TFSI. It comes dressed in the sleek Myth Black, sure to turn headsmen on the road, and at the time of this recording the vehicle has done 18,444 miles. Standing on 17-inch alloy wheels with the 5 twin spoke design, making a bold statement with every turn. Showing you the boot area, as you can see, there is plenty of space for your every day-to-day needs. To the rear, you have the stylish leather and cloth upholstery with the ISOFIX anchor point to easily install your child's car seat. Showing you round, you can see there is plenty of head and leg space for both children and adults alike. To the front of the cabin, you have the 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel, the Audi virtual cockpit, and to the centre of the car's dash, the MMI multimedia display and climate control system. Sink into the driver's seat with the running theme of the leather and cloth upholstery and the iconic S Emboss logo. Behind the wheel you have the 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel with the controls to the Audi virtual cockpit right at the driver's fingertips and a gear shift paddle for a more convenient drive. The Audi virtual cockpit displaying key features in the driver's view, such as connection to your mobile phone device, and a variety of your favourite DAB and FM radio stations to choose from. The MMI multimedia display, going into phone apps to use Apple CarPlay or Android Auto by connection of the car's USB port. In the car menu, with parking aid, for rear volume settings of low, medium and high to help fit in those tight spaces, and driver assist to give you those pre-warnings on the road ahead. Media to have all your favourite apps stored in one place. Radio to choose from your favourite DAB and FM radio stations. Below, you have the manual air conditioning so both driver and passenger can set the preferred temperature of the cabin. Stay connected with the 12-volt and USB charging point with enough space to keep your mobile phone device. Finished off with the manual gearbox and 2 cup holders for those morning coffees. This approved used Audi A1 is now available and on site. For more information, please contact our sales team who'd be more than happy to help. Thank you.